4. Stomach. The stomach receives food from the esophagus. In the stomach, food is mixed and ground. The walls of the stomach contract and aid in grinding. Moreover, the walls of the stomach secrete hydrochloric acid and pepsin, which helps in the breakdown of protein. The semi-digested food, when moves out of the stomach, is in the semi-liquid paste now called chyme. 5. Small intestine. From the stomach, the food enters a long, tangled tube called the small intestine. It has 3 parts, i.e., duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The small intestine performs 2 functions, i.e., digestion and absorption. Digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids takes place in the duodenum with the help of different enzymes and bile secreted by the pancreas and liver, respectively. Absorption. The other main function of the small intestine is absorption. The absorption of simple nutrients takes place in the jejunum and ileum. The inner wall of the jejunum is covered with millions of finger-like projections called villi. Villi are blood capillaries. Nutrients get absorbed into the villi and are transferred into the bloodstream. These villi actually provide an area for greater absorption. Few remaining nutrients are absorbed in the ileum in a similar manner. 6. Large intestine. Undigested food moves toward the large intestine. In this region, water and some vitamins are absorbed. The mucus lining along the large intestine walls slides the food forward. The large intestine is also a long tube. It consists of 3 parts called cecum, colon, and rectum, respectively. Cecum receives the waste that passes to the colon where excess water is absorbed. The remaining solid material called stool is collected in the rectum. When the rectum fills, the stool excretes out of the body through the anus. It is called defecation. Teacher's note: for independent practice, give students worksheets of an unlabeled diagram of the digestive system and have them label organs, and chart the path of food through the various organs through arrows. Give descriptions of the various processes happening at each step of the process, including physical and chemical digestion, absorption of nutrients, digestion, and excretion. 7. Liver and pancreas. The liver and pancreas are digestive glands that secrete substances to help in the digestion of food. The liver produces bile, which is stored in the gall bladder. Bile contains bile pigment and salts, which help in the digestion of lipids. The pancreas secretes digestive enzymes into the small intestine to digest proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. Process of digestion. The picture below shows the complete process of digestion. Movement of food. swallowing, peristalsis, chemical digestion, carbohydrate, fat and protein digestion, mechanical digestion, chewing, churning, segmentation, absorption, nutrients and water to blood vessels and lymph vessels, water to blood vessels. Homework 1. Draw and label the organs where the following processes take place: ingestion, digestion, absorption, secretion. Do you know? Time chart for digestion. Mouth, esophagus, seconds. Stomach, up to 3.5 hours. Small intestine, up to 5 hours. Large intestine, 10 hours to several days.